As we wrap up this journey, we want to leave you with a few key thoughts to carry forward as you develop your ability to recognize and adapt to different personality types. First, look for the gifts in every color energy. Each one brings something valuable to the table. We've explored the incredible strengths within each style, so focus on those good day traits and appreciate what each person contributes. Second, celebrate the diversity you have on your team. High-performing teams aren't made up of just one or two energy types. They thrive when all four color energies are represented. When you need a certain strength, lean on the people who bring that gift naturally. And finally, take action. Ask yourself, what am I going to do differently starting today? Our hope is that this experience has helped you see people through a new lens, one that leads to deeper understanding, better communication, and stronger relationships.
Keep the great conversations going, not just at work, but with friends and family too. Remember, everyone sees the world through their own unique lens. What people do and say is shaped by their own experiences and perspectives. Make space for those differences. Be intentional about how you communicate, and whenever possible, communicate in full color. It's been an honor guiding you through this journey. Now go out there and make meaningful connections.